Hey guys, good evening. Welcome to my channel Navigator Noman. So friends, today I'm gonna discuss with you one specific equipments which we are using on board the ship, oil tanker. That equipment is Tankscope. So this is one type of a gas detector. Okay, so we are using on a ship, on oil tankers. So I will show you what is this equipment, how it is used. Okay, what is the principle used in this equipment, and how we are calibrating this equipment. So friends, okay, let's go. We'll show you the equipments and what all gases we are using in it. So before calibrating, we have to start the equipment. So we will start, we'll press the power button. Once the power button is on, it will show you 100% volume and 25% O2. Okay, this is status of battery. Then it will show you the preparation, showing a probe filter. Okay, so we will press enter. Then sensor check also. Okay, press enter. Then warming up, it will take approx 30 seconds. In 30 seconds it will warm up. So let's wait. Once warm up, then it will start and it will come to standby mode. We can press OK. Okay friends, so we will do the calibration of HC first. Okay, so for that we require this calibration gas bottle. Here you can see it's 0.9%, 50% isobutane. So we will use this gas for calibration of hydrocarbon. So for calibration, we will press 0 and pump key at a time. It will show hold span key, and then it will show apply gas HC. Okay, so this is the hose. We will connect here and then release the gas from bottle into the equipment. Okay, so as you can see, I have connected the hose over here. Okay, so now I will press the enter and then we'll open the cylinder valve. You can see the reading is changing and it will come to the one stable position. So now as per the bottle, you can see it's 50% LEL. Okay, so it should show 50% over here, 58% LEL. So once it is stable, then we will adjust with this key minus plus. Okay, so we will make it 50. So it's 50 now. We will press the enter button. You can see HC span set OK. Now we will close the cylinder valve, and next will be calibration of O2, that is apply gas O2. We will remove this bottle and we will connect nitrogen bottle for the calibration of oxygen. Okay, now the HC calibration is completed and now we are going to calibrate for oxygen O2. So this gas bottle we can use. Here the nitrogen, you can see nitrogen is 99.99% by volume. Okay, so we will use this bottle for calibration of O2. Okay, so first we will as I said, we will go to span, that is zero end pump. We will press, then we'll calibrate the HC. Now HC is completed. Now it is coming apply gas O2. Okay, you can see apply gas O2. So now we will connect the bottle. We will connect. This is the hose given, so we will connect here. Okay, now hose is connected. Now apply gas O2, we will press enter. And after that we will open the gas bottle valve. Okay, so now here reading is showing 20.9. Once I open the bottle, it will show 0 because nitrogen is 99%, means O2 is 0%. Okay, so now I'm opening this bottle valve. Once I open, you can see here it will come 0. It's reducing and it came down to 0. Okay, so whatever gas inside the bottle, it is showing here. That means our gas is showing actual reading, or means our equipment is showing actual reading. Okay, so then we will press the enter button and our O2 span set is okay. So friend, this was the calibration of O2. Now you can see 0% LEL here and 0% oxygen because the hose is connected. As soon as I remove the hose, it will show the atmospheric oxygen. So I am removing the hose now. As soon as I remove, it will show the atmospheric oxygen 20.9. So friend, this was the calibration of Tankscope. So hope you understand. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share.